First ranked match of the night. I'm using a new deck, still DRYTRON. It's LoganJYA's DRYTRON 2.0. I tested it out once on Yugioh Pro last night and it just has the Dragoon in here. What the heck is this? I'll put the YDK file, his deck video in the description. Oh shit. First duel of the afternoon. Yo, voice chat. What is this? What is this? Rest of the turn is like fairy monsters. Okay. Probably should have kept. Oh wait. Yeah, it would have to be orange and then go into verte. Oh, another mystic mine. No. What the bruh. Come on, bruh. Ah. And this is a full duel too. This is gonna take a while. God damn it. Oh, I was gonna take a look at my hand. Just gonna take a look at my deck and rearrange it in any way. I don't know. I don't know if I should scoop. This is a ranked match. Do I have anything to take this mystic mine off? I don't think so. I'm just gonna scoop. This is ridiculous. I can't do nothing. Surrender it is. Yep. Yeah, I need this. Yep, that's it. Come on. Round 2. Dude. Cyber emergency. And is Zeta. Alpha. Ooh, we have this guy already. Good treatments. Benton, Diviner. This. Diviner. Effect. Send. Herald. Herald. Effect. Add. Ultimateness. Yugioh. DRYTRON will be the family activate effect. Send gamma. And now I will do Nadionus for ultimateness, and I'll detach. Remove data for my defense. Activate effect. Decrease by 1,000. Add. Activate. Oh, I could do him. No. It's gonna nib. That's when I ultimateness activate effect. Okay. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. You had no chance, sir. You had no chance. Oh, he's going first. God dang it. Come on. Round 3. Dude! It's Mystic Mind Burn. Damn you! Yep. Shit. Well, first of all, Happy Feather Duster? Was that too early? Oh no, you bastard. DRYTRON Nova. Who am I getting? Alpha? You know what? I could do this guy, I think. Oh shit, I won't be able to if I do that. No, I think I could. We'll do the delta. Fuck. Shit. No, I can't because I can't normal summon twice. Shit. Damn it. I thought I was gonna do this guy and then this guy. Shit. Finer send Herald. Herald's effect. I'll add. Yeah, let's do this guy. Could go for I would have to. Oh, fuck's sakes. I would get a draw. Let's go for the draw. Let's go for the draws. Fuck! I knew he had one of the demise of the land. Fuck's sakes. Oh my god. Why? Oh the cannon. Come on. God damn it. Yeah, I'll go with this. He's gonna burn the crap out of me now. Now he has more life points than me. Fuck's sakes. I need to tribute this guy off. So I can only have 3 in my hand. Silent Wabi. That's it. Even if I draw a Twin Twister, he may have a Solemn Judgment there, and he can afford it. He can afford the life points. Desires. Oh, it's gonna activate something. Metaverse. What is it? Metaverse Mind. Son of a... I would have to OTK him. That's gonna be hard with a shitload of life points. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna win this one. Most likely not. Most likely not. Unfortunately. Best thing I could do is... Yeah, he's got this. He's got this. He could just use these motion cannons. Wave motion cannons and... So that's 5. That's 8. That's already 8,000, dude. That's game right here. Boom, yeah, that's... Boom! One shot. OTK! Sivesta wins flawless victory. Perfect. Wow. Can I get a... Can I not play Mystic Mind? Come on. Okay, where were we? 1213, 1201. We're gonna hit bronze soon. What we got? Nothing, obviously not. Comment, share, like if it's updated, sub if you liked it. See you guys.